Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you the advanced method on how to solve the 1x3x3. So let's get right into this. The 1x3x3 Rubik's Cube turns really weirdly. If you haven't checked out my beginner's tutorial, then make sure to check that out before checking out this one. So, this is the tutorial on the 1x3x3, but using the advanced method. So in the beginner's tutorial, I told you to always make sure that the first step you do on the 1x3x3 is going to be pair up all the edges. So orientate all the edges and orientate all of the pieces into a sort of shape that is a 1x3x3. So right now I have a very weird looking shape. But in this video, I am going to show you how to put everything together at once. So the first step is to orientate all of the edges to sort of the flat position like this. Doesn't matter the corners, just the edges. And doesn't matter the color, just the edges, like this. So now you have all sort of the cross. And now you can sort of pair up one of the corners along with the edges. For example, find a corner right here. This piece needs to go over here. So what we're going to do is pair these up. But remember, because these two colors are not aligned, you can look that these two colors are correct. Therefore, because this is going downwards, you want to switch that like that. And then you can move that in. So you pair up these two. Remember, always to put back the edge. So if we put back the edge like this, then this won't be paired up. So therefore, we want to move the edge like that. See? Now we got a block. Next, we want to pair up. See, this pair is already paired up. That is white in there. So we can move that to the correct spot. And then now, the last three pieces. First, we can deal with this one. So this one comes over here, so we can move that here. And since we want to restore this edge piece, we want to move that 90 degrees, put that back, done. And then the last piece, we want to align, put that over here, so we move it like that. And then we want to restore this. There we go, it is solved. So now let me give you some example solves. Okay, so this solve right here. First, as always, put all of the edges into the correct orientation. Next, let's move to the center corners. So I can pair these two up like that. Move it out of the way and restore that. Now I can move this over here. And because if I move it like this, these won't be paired up. I want to switch the corner and then put it over here. And then now I can pair this piece with that piece like that. And then the last piece, really simple, like this. There we go. Let's do another example. And don't worry if you don't really understand how to solve this on the first try. It is going to be a very hard puzzle. It's sort of, shape-shifting puzzles are always really hard, but it's where the fun comes in, right? So here I got another scrambled case. Let's go. So first, all the edges into the correct orientation. There you go. Next, corners. So this pairs up with that. See? And then I can restore this corner by moving this out, moving it back in. And then now, this piece needs to go over here. So, I will move that over there. See, why do I need to rotate this one? Because if I move that down, this is paired up, but these colors aren't. So, move that way. So now I have these two paired up. Now, I just need to restore this one. And then now, I want to move this corner over to here. So, what I do is, I can move that over here, and then I can put that over in here. And then, I can just restore this one. Like that. And do that. There you go. There is your 1x3x3. Let's do one more. Alright, looks scrambled to me. Let's get started. Alright, there we go. There is your 1x3x3 done. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, remember to comment down below. And we're really close to 100 subscribers, so I'm doing a giveaway at 100 subs, so make sure to hit that subscribe button, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye!